Hey NIF Global family, I'm Ananya Pandey and I'm beyond excited to be here as the style icon for NIF Global New York Institute of Fashion. For everyone out there with a passion for design, beauty and management, this is where your journey begins. NIF Global New York Institute of Fashion is truly one of a kind. It's all about you, Gen Z, the dreamers, the innovators, the ones who are ready to express themselves through fashion.